Okay, we have to choose. We each get to pick something to put on Megan's sandwich.
Give me a spoon.
Not a spoon. No, put that down. What about a fork?
I choose this.
Yeah.
Oh, great. Barbecue sauce.
Oh, someone hold this.
Yeah, they're making me sandwiches now.
Yup. How much do you want? Is that good?
Oh, no.
Just put on.
No,
I think the peanut butter would last things out. Back on, nothing gross.
Sheriff's wedding.
I like French onion dip.
With peanut butter and
What is this?
barbecue sauce.
I know that.
Oh, no, there's not that much left. Save that for
Are you serious, Megan?
It said it in the Dale. That's why I don't do
Is your
Dale.
camera even looking at it?
That's enough.
Don't you guys feel sorry for me? Look at that.
Okay, never mind. Something less
Icky.
wild.
Ugh.
Come on, put a pickle on top.
Or.
You want to go?
This
Is
is.
my hat still on my head? Yes.
Can't you feel it?
No, I can't.
Is that a fry?
Oh, cold
You guys are gonna die.
You guys are gonna die.
Yes.
My French fry?
Yum.
Ew.
You're not even facing it.
Can I take a bite?
The whole,
supposed to.
Did you have to look through there to get it?
the whole thing.
You wanna hold it?
No, you're not even tasting it. You're not even tasting it. You gotta go right here. You gotta go right there. Come on.
Stop! Don't piss in my
Go there. Get it.
Just spit at Andy later.
Get it.
Okay,
Get
stop
it.
squeezing it. Jeez.
Oh my gosh, it's everywhere.
I know.
Take your hand off.
Eat it.
I don't like barbecue sauce.
Eat it.
You're not supposed to like it.
Oh no, that's you just eating the fry in the
That's like
thing.
a fake bite.
You gotta, yeah, get the whole thing, so we can put it on YouTube. Come on,
The hot sauce was hot.
hurry, come on.
I can't eat.
No.
I'm gonna stuff this in your mouth in a second.
I want you to taste my barbecue
Want to
sauce.
taste it?
It's not my dare, but.
You're still going for it?
That's really not that bad. That looks edible.
Okay, you try.
Okay.
I hate hot sauce. I'm not hot sauce.
Barbecue sauce?
Yeah.
You haven't got any of the French fry yet.
I did. I took a
Yeah,
bite.
she got the part sticking out.
Look at her face.
Alright, I took a bite.
Okay, you can toss it. Just don't tell my mom. She'll throw a fit if she found out we threw my bread.
I'm telling.
How you turn this thing off?
Is it all good?
It's off now?